Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel AspDotNet tutorials. Welcome back to Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned a text in Bootstrap 4. So friends, that starts. So friends, in last video we have learned a navbar search and button class, and in this video friends we have learned a navbar text in Bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. First we have write a code for using a code. Friends, write the code. So friends, I've already told you I'm using the same class for getting a navbar dark. You have to using another color for, you have to choose this. Choose, you have own choice, and using a creating a UL and using a navbar nav, and creating a li for using a nav item. And friends, using a link for the text, link for the another page, you have to using this, and for using a class, and you have to using a text in a bar navbar depth. So friends, using a, you have to use a span, and class you have to using a navbar text. It's this class for using your text in your using a write a text. It's creating a text format. You have not you clickable. It's only text you have to show you. First we have save, and I will show you the way. It's words is she. She. So friends, you can see this. It's clickable for using another page, and you have to use the same page for the drop down, and you have to using another. It two of the clickable, and third one, it's friends using only text. You have to not click, and you have to not using a clickable. It's only the text. You have to using a bar, and you have to write a text only, not for clickable. So friends, you have using this tab navbar text class. You have to use this in Bootstrap 4. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, friends, please like, channel and subscribe, and latest videos update press the bell icon for more information, like my Facebook page and follow Insta and Twitter. And if you have any friends, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website friends www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching videos.